How to delete all liked videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all your liked videos on YouTube. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, you can simply scroll down and under your library section, you'll see the option labeled as liked videos. So here, just tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see the list of all the videos that you have liked. Now here, at the moment, YouTube does not provide an option to remove all liked videos at once. So here you need to open each like videos, and here after opening it, you just have to unlike them once by once. And that's it. That's how you can remove like videos from YouTube account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.